Thursday, September the 9th, and today our thought is that it's Unity's World Day of Prayer, as we affirm, all is well with my soul. Today, I unite in mind and heart with people around the world. We are one in spirit, one in love. We are united in the power and presence of God within, our source of strength, faith, and power. In prayer, I enter the quiet sanctuary of soul and touch the very essence of being. I celebrate my divine nature and set an intention to express it more fully every day. I can affirm, God and I are one. I am one with peace. I am peace. I am one with light. I am light. I am one with love. I am love. I am one with life. I am life. I remember that truth of my being, giving thanks for all that I am, all that I can be, as I express my divine potential. I celebrate unity with praying hearts around the world and the circle of peace and love that we are creating. Verse 9 of Psalm number 16 says, "Therefore my heart is glad and my soul rejoices. My body also rests secure." All is well with my soul.